Ever wondered how to turn your AI skills into real income? Maybe you've played around with ChatGPT, MidJourney, or other AI tools, but had no idea how to actually make money from them. Well, today's your lucky day. This is your beginner's guide to monetizing AI skills on Fiverr, the easiest way to start earning, even if you're just getting started. First, find your AI skill. First things first, what can you offer? AI is booming right now, and people need help with things like writing chatbots or AI-generated content, designing logos or illustrations with AI art tools, automating boring tasks using AI platforms, or even solving tricky problems others can't figure out. Start with what you enjoy. You don't need expert-level skills. Just be better than someone who's never touched it. 2. Set up your Fiverr gig. Now, let's turn that skill into a Fiverr gig. Here's the secret sauce. Pick a clear service. Something like, I'll write SEO blog posts using ChatGPT. Price it right. Start low, around $5 to $20 to get your first reviews. Show off samples. Even if you're new, create mock-ups to prove what you can do. And most importantly, write your gig like you're talking to a friend, not a robot. Keep it simple, clear, and helpful. 3. Get clients and scale up. Now for the fun part, getting clients. Here's how to get that first order. Share your gig on social media, AI forums, or tell friends who might need help. Deliver fast and over-deliver. Happy clients leave 5-star reviews, which lead to more sales. Then rinse and repeat. As you grow, offer more services, bump up your prices, or even build a brand. It adds up quickly. Closing. You're now officially an AI freelancer. No fancy degree, no 5 years of experience, just you, showing up and taking action. So what's stopping you? Go create that first Fiverr gig and get paid to use the AI tools you already love. Final call to action. Ready to turn AI into real income? Hit play on your freelancing journey. You've got this.